it's only a huge 3 points for you there today. You must be delighted with it.
Yeah, it was some defensive performance second half. The conditions were tough today for both teams. Both teams want to try and play football, so it was tough for us to do that. And we knew how hard it was going to be up here, irrespective of the weather. So to get that goal first half was important, and then we held on second half. Yeah, I can't fault the lads.
I think they've had one breakaway first half and scored from, we misplaced the pass in the middle of the park. And then we've had 2 or 3 great opportunities in the first half. Got in a great area, and just that final pass again, same as last week. And we've 2 or 3 chances again second half. Keeper's made one great save from Ben Hughes, but when we get into them areas, we've got to be better.
Wasn't a game of many chances today. Do you think you had the better of them?
Yeah, I thought we did. I thought obviously that both halves, I think we were better first half, they were better second. With the weather, it was always going to be like that, difficult conditions. We had a few off the set piece heads that I could have probably done a little bit better with, but yeah, I think overall we just edged it.
I can't ask any more of the boys. We were bottom of the league first week of October, to be in a position now to finish 7th if we have a good result in a fortnight's time. I can't ask any more of the boys. So probably from game 10 onwards, our form's been really good, and 7 wins and 7 clean sheets in 9 games. That's a great record, and I can't fault the lads.
Ultimately, our focus now turns to the Welsh Cup next week. We've got 2 contacts before then, and then in league-wise, it's still in our hands.
That's what I was going to ask you there. Obviously now you can focus fully on next week. How much are you looking forward to that? Yeah,
it's a great opportunity, for the club to get to Europe. So we'll be doing everything in our power to win that game and get to Europe, and then our focus will change to the league game against Cardiff Met, where we know we've got to go and win.
We know how tough the bottom 6 has been this year. At some stage, all of us were in with a shout, really. So we've been lucky that we've had a good run, winning 7, and we need to have another good win in a fortnight's time against Leslie.